미스터
미스터.
I have a dream into my head. It's an obsession that I can't forget. Nobody listens, nobody seems to understand, but I'm sure that I need to be there again. Back to your bandit, back to your bandit, back to your bandit. It's not love, I will not lie. I'm just looking for some kind of sex. It will be easy, we can try a second chance and forgive all the problems that we have.